Alright bros, this will be a video on my 1999 Hoover Caddy Vac. It's a legitimate Caddy Vac this time, which I think is pretty cool. I found this at a Goodwill for $5 about, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's definitely a used Elite machine. It's just got that used Elite vibe. It smells kind of, by kind of, I mean a lot. It smells. You know, the belt was stretched. The bristles are, well, they leave a bit to be desired. But as you can see, October 1999. I have a lot of, not a lot, I have now two blue vacuums that were manufactured in 1999, and I think that's kind of interesting. So yeah, and of course, since it's a used Elite style machine, it does not have a functioning headlight, which is splendid. Alright, you know, it's always good to have another Caddy Vac. I'm of the mindset that I don't think you can have too many. I don't think there's such a thing as too many Elite style machines. It's a problem, but I don't care. So, yeah. That was a video on my 1999 Hoover Caddy Vac, and I hope you enjoyed.